We have just 2 or 3 questions. Okay. Good afternoon to you all. As you can see on your screen, that we are going to prove the question by replacing their values. And this is also related to algebra. So that here you can see x square is equal to 2a square minus b square. The value of x square is 2a square minus b square. In the same way, y square is equal to 2b square minus c square. Similarly, z square is equal to 2c square minus a square. And we have to prove x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. That means after solving x square plus y square plus z square, our answer would be a square plus b square plus c square. So that let's solve it. As you can see on the screen that here x square is equal to a square minus b square, the value of x square. Similarly, y square is equal to 2b square minus c square, the value of y square. Similarly, z square is equal to 2c square minus a square, the value of z square. Then we have to find the value of x square plus y square plus z square, which is equal to, or the answer would be a square plus b square plus z square. Where you can see now here we are going to replace the value of x square. So here you can see the value of x square is 2a square minus b square. Here you can see at the place of x square we replaced the variable x square by their values. Here 2a square minus b square. In the same way, the value of y square, that is 2b square minus c square, that we replaced here. You can see here. Similarly, the value of z square is 2c square minus a square. Here you can see the value of z square is 2c square minus a square. After replacing their values, okay, after replacing their values, here we need to arrange the like terms so that as we discussed many more about how to rearrange the like terms. So here you can see 2a square, and the like term of 2a a square is here. You can see at last a square there is given, so that 2a square and a square, these two terms are like terms. That's why we arrange 2a square with a square. That's why here 2a square, and in front of a square there is minus sign. Okay, in front of a square there is minus sign. So here we replaced 2a square minus a square. Similarly, 2b square and 2b square is similar to b square. That's why here in front of b there is minus, so that 2b square minus b square. Similarly, 2c square and 2c square is similar to c square. So here you can see on the screen that we replace sorry, we arrange 2c square with c square. So here a square is subtracted from 2a square as we got a square. Here in the same way b square is subtracted from 2b square, that we got b square. Similarly 2c square minus c square, that is c square. Altogether that we got the answer a square plus b square plus c square. You can see in the question there we need to find the answer a square plus b square plus c square. That's why at last we have to write hence x square minus y, sorry, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. Or in this way we can prove this type of question by replacing their values. Okay. So here I think we haven't do any other thing without replacing the values of the variables. Here we only replace their values and arrange the like terms, and then after we add or subtract with them. So that let's talk about other question. And the other question there you can see on the screen, that is simplify. So here let's talk about the question, and we have the question minus a minus a bracket a minus b bracket close minus bracket on minus 4b plus 3c bracket of minus bracket on c minus 2a bracket of. So let's solve it. That you can see on the screen. How can we solve it? So here we have the question minus a minus b minus 4b plus 3c minus c minus 2a, where as we know if there is minus sign in front of the bracket, the sign which is given inside the bracket would be changed. Okay, so that here you can see the in front of it there is nothing, that means there is plus sign. In the same way in front of c there is no sign, it means there will be plus sign. So here plus changes into minus, you can see here plus changes into minus, and that is a. Minus changes into plus, you can see here, and that is b. Similarly minus changes into plus, and that is for b. Okay, similarly plus changes into minus, and that is 3c. Similarly plus changes into minus, that is c. Similarly minus changes into plus, that is 2a. So we have to change all the signs, and then after we need to arrange the like terms with each other. So here you can see here minus a plus b plus 4b minus 3c minus c plus 2a. So here you can, we have to arrange the like terms. So here you can see a and 2a are like terms, so that here we arrange in front of a there is minus, so that minus a, and in front of 2 there is plus, so that minus a plus 2a, you can see here. Similarly b and 4b are like terms, so that in front of b there is plus, so plus b, and in front of 4b there is plus, so that 4 plus 4b. And at last we have c. So 3c is 3c and c are like terms, so that minus 3c and minus c, because in front of 3c and c there is the minus sign. And after that you can see here, okay, After that, the greater sign is here in A and 2A, the greater sign is plus, so that there is no sign. It means we have to consider as there is no sign, it means plus sign. So 2A minus A, that is in plus. Similarly, plus B and plus 4B, altogether 5B, and minus minus, if the sign is same, that means the number would be added, and the sign which is given there is written, so that there is minus sign is given, so that minus, and 3C minus C, that is what, 4C. So the answer is A plus 5B minus 4C altogether. And I hope you can do this type of question in this way. And the third number question that we have here, you can see the question is given to you on the screen, that the sides of a triangle are 2x plus 3y, comma, x plus 2y and 7x minus 2y. Find its perimeter. So that, as you know, the perimeter of triangle is what? The perimeter of triangle is the sum of all sides. So that, as we have given here the three sides of triangle, so let's solve it. And the solution is given to you on the screen, that you can see there very carefully. So here the sides of a triangle are what? 2x plus 3y, x plus 2y and 7x minus 2y. These are the sides of triangle respectively. Therefore, the perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides, the formula. So we have the side 2x plus 3y, x plus 2y and 7x minus 2y. So after adding these all, 2x plus 3y, and there we have given here its plus sign, that is plus x plus 2y, that is the other side, plus 7x minus 2y, that is the third side. And then after we have to arrange the like terms. So you can see here 2x, x and 7x, these are the like terms. And in front of these all like terms, there is a plus sign, that means in front of 2x there is no sign, it means plus sign. In front of x there is plus sign, in front of 7x there is plus sign. So that 2x plus x plus 7x. Then after we have to arrange the next like terms. So in the next we have given here 3y, that is in front of 3y there is plus sign, so you have to write here plus 3y. Then after in front of 2y there is plus, that is plus 2y, and in the same way in front of 2y there is minus, so minus 2y. Is it okay? Or then after 2x and 1x, 3x and 3x and 7x, 10x. Altogether you can see here 10x. And here 3x plus 2y, both are in plus, so that we can add them. So 3y plus 2y, that is 5y, and minus 2y is equal to 3y. When 2y is subtracted, 2 is subtracted from 5, as we got 3, so that 3y here altogether. So that the answer is 10x plus 3y is the answer. Okay. I hope you can do this type of question easily. I think there won't be any problem while solving such type of questions, or you can solve such type of question easily. So thank you all here.